What's up guys, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we'll review Oxygen OS 11.2.6.6 for OnePlus 9 series. By the way, if you guys are looking for such awesome live wallpapers, then you can join a Telegram group wherein after every video I update the wallpapers which I have been using on my videos. So without wasting any more time, let's start the review process. OnePlus rolled out this new update for OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. And I've done a thorough testing on my OnePlus 9 after upgrading the device to the latest build. With this latest update of Oxygen OS 11.2.6.6, OnePlus made lots of improvements in the camera segment, and that you'll get to know in the later part of the video. I've clicked lots of photos after upgrading the device to latest version. Even on OnePlus 9 series, Oxygen OS 11 is not that perfect. There are few minor glitches here and there, but though those bugs doesn't affect the usage of device as a daily driver. There are few issues what I think OnePlus should take care and fix them on priority basis. One is related to Wi-Fi calling. So right now you can see Wi-Fi calling is enabled on my OnePlus 9. Most of the times this Wi-Fi calling feature doesn't work on one or the other SIM card. I've also tried out these two SIM cards on my OnePlus 8 series, but on that device I don't find any kind of issues related to Wi-Fi calling. It's the only issue on my OnePlus 9. And if you guys are also facing such issues, then do let me know in the comment section below. Another issue what bothers me a lot on my OnePlus 9 is related to brightness. Though adaptive brightness is not calibrated well on this particular build of Oxygen OS, that's the reason I have turned it off. And along with that, there's another issue. I'm not sure exactly that's an issue with the proximity sensors or something else. And that's when I'm watching YouTube videos during the night time when all the lights are turned off, or you can consider in low lighting condition. There the screen brightness automatically reduces even if I had kept the brightness to max. And to fix that, again I have to swipe down the notification panel and adjust the brightness. And this has been happening from the day I have purchased this device. Initially I thought there might be any kind of feature which reduces the brightness according to the ambient lighting condition. After that, I checked out almost all the settings, but there is no new settings available related to brightness, wherein brightness gets reduced depending on the ambient lighting condition. And I know still OnePlus users are waiting for the fix of Gallery or a more optimized Gallery version. Gallery have been optimized on OnePlus 8 series running Open Beta program, but still on OnePlus 9 series, we face lots of issues related to loading speed of Gallery. And let's see when OnePlus gonna optimize their Gallery application in all the devices of OnePlus running Oxygen OS 11. As I always create a poll asking about the issues what you all have been facing on latest builds of Oxygen OS, and with yesterday's poll, again we got maximum votes for battery backup. And yes, even I have been getting bit low screen on time after upgrading the device to this latest version. We'll show you a few cycles of what screen on time and what overnight battery drain I have seen on my device. And users are still asking about the FPS meter on OnePlus 9 series. I'm exactly not sure when we are going to get that feature on OnePlus 9 series, but as soon as that feature is available, you guys will get an update from my side. And hopefully with next update, we might get to see FPS meter on OnePlus 9 series and OnePlus 8 series running stable channel. And one thing which I forgot to mention about brightness, that if you wake your device after a long time, it takes few seconds to adjust the brightness according to the ambient lighting condition. That's why I said I'm not exactly sure it's a OS issue or OnePlus have done few changes with related to brightness algorithm. I'll report this issue to the OnePlus software team, and let's see what reply we get for the same issue. Though this particular build is pretty solid, but still we get to see few minor glitches here and there. And we don't have any other option to wait for OnePlus to fix all these issues. So guys, these were the few issues which I personally faced on my OnePlus 9 running this latest stable build of Oxygen OS. I also checked your comments on the community tab, and hopefully I've covered everything. And now let's talk about the battery backup. Along with the battery backup issues, one of the user reported that device have been heating while charging. If your device is heating a lot, I would request you to enable optimized charging feature from the battery section if it is disabled. Or if you have already enabled the optimized charging, try disabling that feature and charge your device. After that, do let us know if you see any kind of improvements in the heating of device. So guys, after thorough testing of this device, I would like to say battery backup have been reduced on this latest update. And here are a few cycles of screen on time and battery drain overnight. With first cycle, I got 3 hours and 36 minutes of screen on time, in which I did a lot of gaming. Usually with the same gaming pattern, I used to get around 4.5 hours to 4 hours 45 minutes of screen on time. And with second cycle, with my normal usage, I could only get 4 hours and 55 minutes of screen on time. And also overnight battery drain seems to be a little bit high. In just 6 hours I noticed 9% of battery drain, in which always on display was turned off along with ambient display turned off. So yes, battery backup have reduced a bit on this latest update. Now let's move on to the next topic, which is related to camera performance. If you take a look at the changelogs of the previous update, in which there are lots of fixes and improvements done to camera. After using the device and clicking few pictures, I got to know there are lots of improvements done related to camera segment. With this update, OnePlus have also done fixes to the device not focusing on the smaller objects or closer objects. I have personally tested that out, and now I don't face any kind of issues in focusing closer objects. And now here are few samples clicked after updating the device. When it comes to photos clicked in good lighting condition, the device was performing really great. I did not find any kind of issues related to overexposure or less details. Also clicking pictures with all the 3 different lenses, I did not see any kind of changes in the colors, and which we mostly used to see on devices like OnePlus 8 and OnePlus 7 series. On those devices, while clicking pictures with the telephoto lens or 2x zoom, you'll see lots of color difference in those photos. But that's not the case on OnePlus 9 after this update. I'm just in love with the camera performance after updating the device. And I would request OnePlus to just make few more optimizations with the front camera, because while clicking pictures with front camera, no doubt device is doing a great job in edge detection and depth effect, but here color seems to be a little bit dull, which you can see in these photos clicked with front camera in portrait mode. With rear camera portrait mode, superb edge detection and depth effect. Also I clicked few pictures in night time, and here is the side by side comparison of photos clicked in normal mode with that of nightscape mode, because in this update OnePlus says they have optimized the nightscape photography and we get to see less noise in the photos clicked with nightscape mode. And that's what camera does when it comes to nightscape photography. You'll see a lots of difference between pictures clicked in normal mode and nightscape mode. In nightscape mode, we get to see more details with less noise. But here I only found one issue with the nightscape mode. Device was still struggling to take good quality picture of person. Overall, after this update, huge performance bump can be seen in the camera segment. And a big thumbs up to OnePlus for optimizing the camera on OnePlus 9 series. Last but not the least, now let's also talk about the performance part on OnePlus 9 after this latest update. And as you all know that I'm also into gaming. By the way, if you guys haven't subscribed to our gaming channel, make sure to subscribe, because there you're gonna see lots of gaming tests on custom ROMs. Now talking about the performance on my OnePlus 9 when it comes to gaming, and I have only few lines to say. That performance is top notch after updating the device to this latest version. While playing game like PUBG with higher graphics settings, though OnePlus 9 series doesn't have support of 90 FPS, playing PUBG in 60 FPS, I did not see any kind of issues related to heating of the device or any kind of frame drop. And here's a small gameplay which you can take a look at. So guys, till now this is one of the best build for OnePlus 9 series. Hoping to see more optimizations on OnePlus 9 series when it comes to battery segment. Though in terms of performance and camera segment, OnePlus 9 is doing a pretty great job. So guys, this was my review about the latest build for OnePlus 9 series. If you guys still have any kind of questions, then let me know in the comment section below. This is your friend Ashok signing out. See you guys in the next video.